Welcome back. How are you guys? I hope everything is well and you are enjoying ForestGPT. So today we are going to draft a different type of letter from ForestGPT and let's see how it performs. Okay, say for example, you have to draft a letter on behalf of the chairman of the verification committee of forest license and the ADFO of your concerned division regarding the issuance of sawmill license under general category. So let's start without not delaying the time. So first of all, we will prompt that draft or write. Okay, so write, write a letter to Sri, for example, Rampal Dubey. Now this name is totally an absurd name, an anonymous name. Okay, this is only for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, just to explain how it works and how you can use it. Okay, just for the demo, it's a disclaimer. Now let's start. Write a letter to Sri Rampal Dubey, proprietor of, say for example, Mr. Mrs. Rampal Sawmill, village, you can say for example village, what will I say, Sonamukhi. Okay, and for example, let us make it short. Okay, district Paschim Mednipur. Okay, it is just for the demo purpose. You can definitely use your division, your circle name over here. ChatGPT will adjust it. Okay, so write a letter to Sri Rampal Dubey, proprietor of Mr. and Mrs. Rampal Sawmill, village Sonamukhi, district Paschim Mednipur, from the chairman verification committee Now intentionally we will make some mistake over here just to see how ForestGPT operates it and acts accordingly, whether ForestGPT can rectify our mistakes or not. Okay, so the verification committee of forest, intentionally we will type something wrong over here. Okay, then comes your concerned division. Okay, and the AD4, again your concerned division regarding. Now these are the basic templates. You can say it's a template that write a letter to regarding. Okay, these are the templates, and each and every letter, or you can draft it. Okay, regarding issuance of sawmill license under general category. Okay, general category. Now, as I mentioned, in each and every division there are different way of starting their official letters. Okay, so you can start with by giving the prompt start with what will I write? What will you write actually? Let's see. This is to inform you that the issuance of sawmill license, again wrong spelling I have entered intentionally, okay, under general category. Next, as per approved, by state level committee, okay, by state level committee, again intentionally wrong spelling have been entered, made by the Honorable Supreme Court, okay, of India, obviously of India, okay. Also include, now the next prompt will be also include your application for the same is under active consideration, okay, active consideration. Enough consideration to the respected divisional forest officer and authorized officer, right? I hope we all have written this sort of letter previously in our office, so it will be quite easy for us, right? Okay. Now also include, next prompt, also include you are hereby requested to attain the office of the undersigned, at say around 10:30, right, 10:30 a.m. on the applied date at here's the address of the undersigned, okay. Whatever is the address of your undersigned according to your division, you can input over here, okay, with relevant documents, in support of claim, right, in support of your claim. Next prompt will be copy forwarded to number 1, copy forwarded to the authorized officer, and DFO, your concerned division. Number 2, the ADFO of your concerned division, and no, not ADFO, I think so, not ADFO, no, it will be the range officer of the concerned division, which I am using Kharagpur over here because I belong from this division right now. You can use your division. Okay, this is for the sake of the tutorial only. Okay, so we have completed the prompt. It will be a short video, I hope so. Write a letter to Paul. Okay, so we have already done it, and we will hit enter, and let's see how ForestGPT helps us writing this important letter. And here we go. Letterhead, email and contacts, reference number, date. You will just copy paste it into this Word. Okay, so 2-3 Rampal Dubey, proprietor MS Rampal Sawmill. Okay, subject issuance of sawmill license under general category. Fine. Now you can omit this portion when you copy paste in your Word document. Okay, this is to inform you that the issuance of a sawmill license under the general category as per the approved state level committee formulated by the Honorable Supreme Court of India is currently under process. Your application for the same is under active consideration. Your application for the same is under active consideration by the Divisional Forest Officer and Authorized Officer, okay, of your concerned division. Therefore, you are hereby requested to attend the office of the undersigned at 10:30 a.m. on the mentioned date at the office of the undersigned. This will be the address of the office of your undersigned of your division, with all relevant documents in support of your claim for verification and further necessary action. Your prompt compliance with this request will facilitate the most processing of your application. Yours faithfully, name, designation, Chairman, Verification Committee of Forest License. Okay, fine, and copy forward it too. Let me know if you need any modification. No, it's perfect. So we have drafted a letter regarding issuance of sawmill license under general category. So I hope, my dear friends, you have understood how ForestGPT works, okay, and how to prompt it. Prompt is nothing but the instruction you are giving him. You are dictating him. Imagine, just grant ForestGPT as your subordinate. You dictate him. Whatever you dictate him, he does the same. Okay, so I hope this video will also be a beneficial one for you, and please have a look. Visit ForestGPT. How you will visit ForestGPT? Very simple. Go to any browser, Chrome, Mozilla, Bing, anything. In the search box, just type chatgpt.com. Then sign up with your Google ID or your Gmail ID. Once you sign up with Gmail ID, go in the search option, okay, and search for ForestGPT. For example, I'm showing you. Just create a new chat and Explore GPT. Come in Explore GPT, and in this search GPT you have to type ForestGPT, and you have to just put enter, and I hope so it will be coming soon. Actually the network is slow over here due to rainfall. I hope so. It should come. I apologize for the slow internet connection over here right now. Yeah, here it is. Okay, just click it, start chat, and you are good to go. Okay.